8 Benefits of Being the Sigma Male. In the intricate tapestry of human social dynamics, the concept of the Sigma male emerges as a fascinating thread, weaving its way through the fabric of traditional archetypes with a distinct pattern of independence, introspection, and innovation. This enigmatic figure challenges the conventional hierarchy, operating on the periphery with a quiet confidence that commands attention without seeking it. Unlike the alpha's dominance or the beta's compliance, the Sigma male carves a unique path, defined by an unwavering commitment to personal values, self-sufficiency, and a profound understanding of the world around them. As we delve into the benefits of embodying this archetype, we uncover a spectrum of qualities that foster resilience, creativity, and a deep sense of fulfillment. The journey of the Sigma male is one of autonomy and mystery, offering insights into a way of being that transcends societal expectations and nurtures genuine individuality. If you want a step-by-step guide on how to approach, date, and seduce women, check the link in the description. It's the best comprehensive guide out there. 1. Independence and autonomy. Independence and autonomy define the Sigma male as someone who lives by his own rules, making decisions that align with personal values over societal expectations. This quality enables a Sigma male to navigate life with a unique sense of direction, free from the constraints of traditional social hierarchies. Such independence is not only about living or working alone, but about thinking critically and making choices that resonate on a personal level. It fosters self-confidence and a deep sense of fulfillment, as decisions are made based on what feels right to the individual, rather than to fit in or please others. This autonomy allows for a life that is genuinely aligned with one's desires and aspirations, leading to a more authentic and satisfying existence. 2. Self-sufficiency. Self-sufficiency in the Sigma male context means having the skills, confidence, and resources to handle life's challenges without relying heavily on others. This trait is about more than just practical independence. It encompasses emotional and intellectual self-reliance as well. Sigma males invest in their abilities, cultivating a wide range of skills that enable them to be resourceful and adaptable. This self-sufficiency breeds a strong sense of confidence and resilience, as they know they can count on themselves to navigate various situations. It also contributes to their independence, as being self-sufficient reduces the need to conform to societal pressures for support or validation. 3. Flexibility and adaptability. Sigma males excel in flexibility and adaptability, treating change and uncertainty as opportunities for growth rather than threats. This mindset allows them to navigate the complexities of life with ease, adjusting their strategies as circumstances evolve. Such adaptability is crucial in today's fast-paced world, where being able to pivot and embrace new opportunities can lead to significant advantages. Sigma males' ability to adapt is not just about survival, but about thriving in various environments, using change as a catalyst for innovation and personal development. This flexibility also makes them resilient, enabling them to bounce back from setbacks and navigate life's unpredictability with confidence. 4. Deep thinking and creativity. Deep thinking and creativity are central to the Sigma male's persona. They often engage in introspection and reflection, which fuels their innovative approaches to problems and life in general. This deep thinking allows them to see beyond surface-level solutions, exploring more profound, creative responses to challenges. Sigma males' creativity is not confined to the arts, often leading to unconventional but highly effective solutions. Their ability to think differently and explore new ideas not only sets them apart, but also drives progress in their personal and professional lives. 5. Attractiveness and mystery. The independence and quiet confidence of Sigma males often create an aura of mystery, making them intriguing to others. Their self-sufficiency and depth of character can be highly attractive, drawing people towards them without the need for overt social dominance or conformity. This mysterious quality, combined with their unconventional approach to life, often makes Sigma males compelling and charismatic in their own unique way. Their allure lies not in traditional markers of attractiveness, but in their authenticity, self-assuredness, and the depth of their personality. 6. Leadership on their own terms. Sigma males embody a form of leadership that is unconventional yet highly effective. They lead by example, inspiring others through their actions, creativity, and independence, rather than through direct authority or command. This leadership style is characterized by innovation, individuality, and a focus on empowering others to think and act independently. Sigma males often inspire loyalty and respect, not through force or dominance, but by demonstrating the value of autonomy, critical thinking, and personal integrity. Their approach to leadership fosters a culture of creativity, self-reliance, and mutual respect. 7. Emotional strength and stability. The introspective nature of Sigma males contributes to their emotional strength and stability. They possess a deep understanding of themselves, which allows them to navigate their emotions and the emotions of others with insight and empathy. This emotional intelligence enables them to remain calm and composed in challenging situations, providing a source of strength and stability for themselves and those around them. Their self-awareness also allows for healthy emotional expression and communication, contributing to more meaningful and fulfilling relationships. 8. Freedom from social constraints. One of the most liberating aspects of being the Sigma male is the freedom from traditional social constraints. Sigma males define their own paths, unbound by societal expectations or norms. This freedom allows them to pursue their passions and goals with authenticity and focus, leading to a life that is truly their own. By not conforming to conventional success metrics or social hierarchies, Sigma males can explore unique opportunities and lifestyles that align with their values and interests, fostering a sense of fulfillment and contentment that comes from living on their own terms. The Sigma male archetype presents a compelling narrative of autonomy, resilience, and introspection. Through their journey, we learn the value of forging one's path, embracing individuality, and viewing the world through a lens of deep reflection and creativity. The Sigma male's qualities, ranging from independence to emotional stability, offer a blueprint for navigating life with confidence, authenticity, and a sense of purpose. While the concept of the Sigma male may not fit everyone, it provides a perspective that celebrates the strength found in quiet confidence and the beauty of walking a less trodden path. In embracing some or all of these traits, one may find a deeper understanding of themselves and the world around them, highlighting the importance of living a life that is true to one's values and aspirations. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and watch this one as well. Thanks for watching.